I was thinking about lining up my whole entire yard with like some bushes. Okay, so this here, this is my, if I'm not mistaken, this is a grape tree, y'all. I thought this was dead. And if you can see, what I was gonna do was break this off, and but there's green. There's green in here, y'all. So I done broke this off, and I didn't need to. Where did my scissors go? I done broke this off, and I didn't need to. And it's probably gonna grow back this year. And I done took this whole tree stump off. I'm really upset about that. I can't even find my clippers. But I'm gonna go ahead and break it off so that it doesn't get any type of like disease or anything. If I can find my clippers. What did I do with them? Okay, I could have sworn I brought them outside. But there's another piece. See, this right here, this doesn't have any green whatsoever. Okay, there's green here. And it's actually still water in this and everything. So, if I can find my clippers. Okay, I found my shears, my clippers. And what I'm just gonna do is spray these with some hydrogen peroxide so that we don't transfer any type of um, disease or anything. And I so didn't mean to break this right up in here, because this definitely still has like some green. Look at that. Like, what was I thinking? So usually what happens with this, the plant goes dormant. So I'm going to chop some more of this off. Chop the rest of this. That's pretty tough. That's green. And maybe some new stuff can start growing out. That's still green. I might just repot it too. This is pretty dead. Might just chop that all the way down. And I have 3 more of these trellises. And I think what I'm going to do is put a trellis just going from here all the way to here. And I think it'll be real beautiful if I have like that trellis coming here and I can just walk through like this. I think that'll be real cute. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm excited. Very excited for this growth season. That's what I'm gonna do with my grapes. I think those are grapes. I don't know for sure. I know I got a mulberry tree up in the front. I was thinking about lining up my whole entire yard with like some bushes. I hate the way this slants. Like, there's no way they could have made this straight. But my yard goes out all that way and then it slants. Like they cheated me some land or something. But yeah, we'll see. I'm excited. Excited for the grow season. I'm excited. The wind is blowing really hard. But guess what we got going? Motion. We got motion, baby. We got motion, baby. Let me show y'all all my great stuff that has started growing. I just made a video with last week, and I got stuff going. But before you know it, I'm gonna have everything blooming, blossoming, trellising. It's gonna be. Let me just show y'all what I got, baby. My kale, that kale is taking its sweet time, but I feel like once it's got its roots settled, it's going to be beautiful and perfect. All right. Remember I told you my trellis? My trellis looks amazing. I got some peas coming out of here. I'm telling y'all, when this starts blossoming, it's gonna take off. So hopefully I can get that to reach up, and I want to see how far my peas can go up this trellis because I've never grown anything more than about 2 feet. Okay, somebody's angry, but anyway, my peas are looking lovely. I think they're getting a sufficient amount of water. This is how they always come out first. I'm so excited. I love growing snap peas or whatever kind of peas I'm growing. I'm loving it. Yeah, tell me to get back. Beautiful. Look at this. Little clovers coming out, shedding their light. Very excited. Very excited about my little clovers. Maybe my banana trees won't come back fully, but they do have some little babies growing. And I'm just going to have to propagate them and figure out what to do next year. I my put this underneath here because it gets a lot of water here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut those dead leaves off. Oh wow, look at my blueberry tree. It's green. It wasn't green before. It was like brown. This is in a matter of like 2 days. And look at these beautiful flowers. Wow. I'm very excited about this. This is, what is this? This is my peach tree. This is my peach tree. I think this is my blueberry tree. But yeah, look at how much it has grown. I'm really excited about that. I forgot what I put in here. I think I put some tomatoes or something. And then I got these growing over here. If I'm not mistaken, these are marigolds. I hope they're marigolds because marigolds are really beneficial for the garden. This started growing way before um I put anything down. I don't know what it is. I'm not sure what this is. It doesn't smell like anything. It has legs. It smells like some type of eggplant, I think. Yay, look at my plants. These are growing in. That looks like an eggplant or something. I know for sure I put flowers here, so we'll see. Yeah, look at the flowers, Look at the flowers. Aren't they pretty? Yeah, they're pretty. Oh, I'm excited. Don't break it, y'all. Don't break it, please. Come on, let's go. Let's go this way. Oh, Lord, she'll tear my tree up. Good God. I got a lot of little surprise crops growing. Don't dig up nothing, okay? Come on, this way. Hopefully my sweet peas will come through. I got some sweet peas up in here. Hopefully they're getting water. This feels pretty dry. So I'm thinking they're not getting water. Come on. I know water is going here. Very excited about my excited. Uh-oh. You okay? There you go. Good job. So yeah, I'm gonna put my trellis here and make it something like Really cute. Make it go up this way. Good grief.